sugar for water, lemon, cinnamon, οδόνερο, rose water, after the bubbles, milk, sugar, 2 eggs, we mixed, stick of cinnamon, lemon zest, coarse semolina, fine semolina, mix until thickens, butter, vanilla, butter the tray, butter the filo, put it on a tray. I put 6 at the bottom and I butter it very well. Put a cool cream. And butter. 3 filo on top. A lot of butter at the end. Cut the top 3 filo. In the oven, 100 degrees Celsius until you have a nice golden brown color. We leave this beauty for at least